Hi, my name is Rizky from acreativealt. I hope you guys been enjoying your work from home arrangement so far. I think most of us are starting to get used to the current work from home situation. I believe this is actually the best time for us to learn new skills. With this, I decided to create a new series of tutorials called Creative Coach, dedicated to all the beginners who are keen to start learning many aspects of the creative productions, including video productions, video editing, digital imaging, illustrations, and animation. I'll be sharing some efficient workflow that I have learned throughout my 15 years of creative career. I will also be posting tips and tricks on creative productions, and I think this will also be beneficial for any students who are currently graduated from high school or secondary school who was planning to continue tertiary education in a creative line but was stuck due to this current COVID-19 situation. I believe this will actually be a good start for you while waiting for the education system to stabilize and you can continue with your tertiary education. And also give a glimpse to anyone who are thinking of starting their journey in a creative line. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I can be your creative coach.